Northwest area clear. Clear.
Brutal attack. Ukrainian troops destroy Russian tanks in Swedish AT4 rocket launch fire. Video footage shared online this week shows Ukrainian forces striking what could be an abandoned T-72B series Russian tank using an AT4 at launcher. The footage, recorded by a rotary blade drone, starts by showing Ukrainian soldiers walking across a farm field towards a tank located at the edge of a forest. The soldiers, presumably unaware of whether the tank still posed a danger, then used the AT4 launcher to immobilize the tank. Remarkable footage of Ukrainian troops striking a Russian main battle and tank, War Analysis Twitter account Bluesauron writes. In the video, one of the soldiers can be seen disposing of the AT4 weapon after using it, leaving it lying on the ground. While it might look a little odd, the weapon is actually designed to only be used once. The Swedish-manufactured AT4 is a disposable anti-tank launcher designed to be fired by a single soldier from over the shoulder. The launcher is manufactured by Saab Bofors Dynamics. Technically, it isn't a rocket launcher as the warhead fired from the launcher is not powered by a rocket motor. Since the launcher is designed to be single-use, troops are not required to load the device. It is simply stored and used when necessary. By nature of being single-use, the AT4 can be manufactured using cheaper and less durable materials. It is a cost-effective and convenient anti-tank missile that has been used widely throughout the Russian invasion of Ukraine. The T-72B is one of a number of variants of the T-72, a Soviet-era tank that has been in service since 1973. The T-72B variant was originally developed in 1985 and featured a newer, improved gun as well as a stabilizer, fire control system, and sights. In 2010, the T-72B3 model was developed and manufactured in large quantities. This later model included a new digital VGF radio, a multi-channel gunner's sight, and an improved autoloader. In 2016, the even newer T-72B3 model was fitted with relict explosive reactive armor, designed to protect the vehicle from anti-tank missiles. It is unclear what model of the T-72B can be seen in the video, but presuming that the AT4 fully immobilized or destroyed the vehicle, it is likely a pre-2016 model. That wouldn't be particularly surprising given Russia's continued use of Soviet-era weaponry and inability to manufacture sufficient numbers of newer, more capable weapons. Meanwhile, man-portable anti-tank weapons have been crucial in Ukraine's efforts to hold and even push back Russian forces. More than 6 months into the fighting, however, the supplies of these shoulder-launched platforms are running low. That is true both in Ukraine and in the countries where the weapons are produced. As a result, Ukraine may need to rely on more basic anti-tank systems, such as the Swedish-made AT4, over the American-produced FGM-148 Javelin. That isn't to suggest that the AT4 is a bad weapon. In fact, the single-shot rocket launcher has proven deadly effective against Russian tanks and other armored vehicles. The series of 84mm, 3.31-inch, unguided, man-portable, single-shot, disposable, recoilless smoothbore anti-tank weapons were developed by Fornade Fabriksverken, FFV, and manufactured at their facility at Zakristal, Karlstad, Sweden. It can be operated by a single soldier, and depending on the particular rocket model, the AT4 has a range of 200 to 600 meters, and it can penetrate armor up to 460 millimeters. Sweden has already supplied some 15,000 AT4 anti-tank weapons to Ukraine as part of an aid package announced earlier this year, but it is unclear if more will be sent. What is of notable concern is that it isn't just Ukraine stocks that are dwindling. Produced by Saab Bofors Dynamics, the AT4 is one of the most common light anti-tank weapons used by militaries in the world, including the United States, which has also sent a significant number to help the government in Kyiv. Lightweight, easy to use, and reliable, the AT4 has a strong record of success in the U.S. Armed Forces, said Madeline Wild, aerospace, defense, and security analyst at international analytics firm Global Data, in an interview with media. The type of variant that the country has ordered adapts the weapon specifically for use in confined spaces, giving the variant the CS designation, reducing recoil and making it suitable for urban warfare, Wild explained to media. The most recent order is significant due to both the high contract value and the fact that the units are likely replacing the 6,000 units sent to Ukrainian forces in spring 2022. The United States Department of Defense, DoD, will see its stocks replenished, but it is unclear how long that will take or if the military has enough weapons in its current stockpile.
Secure! Rocket! Stay all clear! Rocket! Rocket! Rocket!